Bookies, welcome back. It's Nika's late night snack. Of course, I had this fish in the refrigerator. I'm not letting this spoil, and I'm not gonna waste my time to throw out my meat. So I'm about to eat my meat and go in here and cook this meat, saute it, put it in my stomach, and have a good night. You know what I'm saying? But anyways, y'all enjoy the video. Like, comment, subscribe to Nika post the video. Enjoy. Hey Bookies, welcome back to the channel. I decided to see this fish in the refrigerator. I can't let it spoil, so I'm about to go ahead and fry it. While everybody's in the bed for school tomorrow. I'm gonna close that back up. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to Nika post the video. Hope you guys enjoyed this little video because I'm about to fry this fish and eat it in this video with some hot sauce with no bread. So enjoy the video. So yes, my grease look a little burnt, but I'm gonna use it anyway so I can clean this out tomorrow. Because it's fresh grease. I'm gonna use it for my fish. It ain't gonna bother anything. So I go ahead, it's hot and ready to go. I'm gonna grab me some flour out of my cabinet. They was talking about some fish and chicken seasoning or something like that. To use for my fish. I'm used to what I'm used to and I can't help that. I can switch it up. I tried, but it doesn't work. Flour.
Cookie.
Piece of fish that I left in the refrigerator. I don't want it to spoil. I had it out, yeah. Okay. I usually would cut it, but since I'm eating it, I'm gonna put it whole. We're gonna drop it in the grease. Yeah, y'all probably say, oh, why she fry that with the chicken grease? Oh, of course, when restaurants cook, they act like they use the same grease or not. Come on now. It's my kitchen, it's my food. I'm gonna eat it the way I like it, not what y'all like. But that's not what I'm here for. In my kitchen, you have me food and fun. We have fun in here. What? Hold on. Alright, so I got my plate here to dry off my fish here. Fish is frying real good. My plate is right here waiting patiently. I got a towel in my hand. I take me a shower. This flour here, I'm gonna throw it away. I use the same flour if I have to with chicken or whatever. This fish flour. They say, why you use so much flour? I don't know. I'm gonna throw it away.
Mom.
Yeah.
This was banana.
Eat your banana, baby. Eat your banana.
Okay. Thank you, Mom.
You're welcome. I love you. You better not play with me. I love you too. You coming now? When you done eat that banana, you're gonna change that shirt, okay? You ain't got the ice cream all over your shirt. First you got it. You don't want that fish too hard, so you're gonna turn it down a little bit and let it wash my hands up quick. I'll be back. So I flipped it over. I have some bread. I ain't got no damn bread in the house. That's when I go shopping again. Refrigerator. Refrigerator.
Like they have this?
Yeah. Bill, just put that little bit back in there like that. She should just drop the rest. Bring the rest of
All
it.
it in my cup.
Yeah, that's the third cup.
Yeah. Oh, I think this was accident.
That's what you do. Here, go back to bed. Got school tomorrow, okay? I'm gonna say you want something to drink. 5 minutes, that's it.
Yeah, thank you.
You're welcome, love you.
Hey, Mom, I can pig.
So that fish is cooked all the way. Let's cut it and see. Hey, what? It's cooked. Fresh fish. Now it's floating to the top, so it's done. When it floats to the top like that, that thing is done. So you pull it up to make sure it's done. I'm gonna check and make sure it's done. I'm gonna flip it over. But that baby's done, so it's floating to the top. I'm gonna let it go 5 more minutes, then we're gonna take that baby out. Well, I think we're gonna turn the juice off on it. Pull it up to the table. These babies over right here. And then take that piece there. Sit it on the side. Pull it up. Sit her butt right there. Get that grease drain on. Fishy fish funny. Let that grease train. I'm gonna clean my deep fryer. Hey boogies, welcome back to the channel. I got some fish here. You can't see because the light not really turned my way. So we got some fish here, hot sauce here. No, I'm not eating all this. Fish here, put the hot sauce on like this. Bite. Hot. Fresh. Mountain Dew. I need some water.
I can't get in the video. I can't get in the
No!
Sure. What is it? You know what? I'm just going to do it.
Hot. Oh, not want to burn your lip. And that thing hot. Now I cool off my mouth. We need a hot sauce. Want my hot sauce? Yeah, our hot sauce. Hey. Hey.
Oh. Mama, don't show
Now don't piss. Why is he in the video? I told him not to.
Mom, don't shoot it.
Mom.
That's
My fish?
children
Come.
vlog.
My piece. Come. Yeah, well, everything. Come on, piece right here. You need to be laying down. School. Don't get back out there, baby, huh?
Don't get out. Don't get out of the bed when they wake up.
All right, Isaiah, go. At school, Mom.
That's one moment. I just said at house school.
They want everything. Taste it.
You said last night.
It's good, ain't it?
You said last night. I have.
Hey, can I do my video, please? Thank you. Yes, y'all do have school. You have to go to school because I know you don't like it. The teacher or whatever. I'm sorry, you have to go.
I don't like it.
You don't want fish? Have to put your hand all over? All right. It's gone. So you swallow. And you will choke. So you don't see that fish. Hold on, Sam. It's right here. Come get it. Where the apples you at for side bottle? I'm gonna put some in her bottle. Yeah. You can't have no hot sauce. No. Yeah. You taste? I'm giving her a taste. This is my baby. I can do what I want with it, but I'm giving her a taste. She's one now. It was good at it. I gave her a little taste. She had apple juice. I'm gonna go put some more in her bottle. What fish? Wait, I'm just eating, yeah. I'll drink a whole bottle. Just give me a second to get up.
Yes. Now the
You got it. Your hair.
No, sit up, Nana.
You can't too hot. Put it in your mouth.
And you bounce it.
Good. You gotta put the fish on there?
No, I can't find a picture.
You did? Got a fish?
Yeah, there's some nasty.
My phone. Shut up. Your phone not working.
Why you hit that girl like that, Kira?
Need it.
Y'all got to share the bed now.
Look, this ain't her
I
phone.
got your own bed. Y'all want to fight over my bed.
This ain't her phone. No, you're not.
We got fish. We got fish. We got fish. We got fish. Tell them. You stop. You just swallow. You need to be me.
My man got cut.
That's a bone. You get it.
No, look, man got cut.
Okay, lay down for school. Look. Bone, girl. Ain't swallowed no bones yet. And I said, give me a second, let me eat. Y'all should have drank the whole jug the first time. I got to get over out the freezer. I'm going in a minute. You got something at home around me. Son? The taste of that soda, she like, say, ah. You say, ah. Alright, y'all, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, turn on for post video. I'm about to get ready to lay down. I'll see you guys tomorrow on our next video. Say night-night. Say night-night.
I said, why you doing that? Why you doing that?
Say night-night. Night-night, guys. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Turn on for post a video. You know, post a video. I can't. Don't be hitting me. Hey, slow down. Well, I guess the dang video didn't work right. We got the fish here. Saab beating me up. I don't give it to her hot. It got a little. It's as whitey. It got a little bit of bones in it, not much.
Look at my dad.
We got fish.
Ma, look.
We got fish. We got fish. We got fish. We got fish.
Ma, look at my leg.
I see your leg. Hey! What the? Back up.
Ma, look at here.
I see.
Look.
You stop. What? Fish? Say, ah. Here, get back over there and lay down now for school. I get up at 5 o'clock every morning. 5 o'clock in the morning, where you gonna be at? You Aggie.
So fun.
It ain't funny.
So fun.
I see it.
And well, you gonna go to school
Yes, sir.
with now. 5 o'clock is only a little bit. No, 5 o'clock is a lot. 5 o'clock is not a lot. It starts with a horse. That's wrong. It started with. No. It started with 4. No, do not. Let me count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Told you. It's not 5. Killer. No. You act like you don't think nothing is 5. Mother, you don't know what 5 is.
What, 5 what?
5 is 5. 5 start with 4. It's 1, 2, 3, 4.
She get a taste of that soda. They don't know how they when they get a taste of that soda. They be like, sugar, and they feel like she peeing on my leg. Oh, it's her peeing in her diaper and it's warm. Watch out, I thought she was peeing. Want some more fish? Girl, you warm. It felt like me when I ate. Stop whining with them done eating. Hey, what did I just say? Here, I might shut the lights off.
No. Y'all wanna play? What are we gonna play?
Fish is good protein when you're pregnant. Even after you have a baby or eating, not being pregnant, have this protein, you know. Oh, protein. It's good when you're pregnant.
You know what, bro?
Fish is good protein though, regardless.
Shut your mouth.
Protein. Fishy. Yum, 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 yum. Yum, yum, yum. I used to love fish when I was pregnant with Papa. Ooh, wee. Ah! No, boy. Baby, oh. Ah! You nasty little sucker. You did it. My hand went in my mouth. Say, don't forget to what? Like, comment, and subscribe. Hey, like, comment, and subscribe. Hey, like, comment, and subscribe. See you guys on the next video. Good night. Bye. Look, say bye-bye. Wait, bye-bye. Say bye-bye. You can't eat that by yourself. You gotta look at the bone. See you later.